Silver, we start with daily chart. We want to see how we can look for trade for the next week. Okay, the only thing is for next week, I'm looking for this correction for buy. Okay, but before that, we consider this one as a buy. One more things we need to know. Can we look at this one in story structure and as a correction relative to what we have here? Still we can, but mostly for the next week, what I'm looking for buy. Okay, internally we based on this correction. All right. In this case, we move to lower time frame. We want to see how we can look for trade. And if we move to forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. And if we get one more drop, this is what we have already. And if this one retest this low, break this low, then from there we can make a better decision whether this one is going to continue or we can look for a reversal. But for me, still I consider this one can turn to a deeper correction. That's why any buy from there, we are more interested within this move. All right. Now we want to see how we can look for trade, and we don't have any trade set up based on forward chart. And one more thing, we move to forward, 1 hour chart, and when the market open, we're looking at this one. Still, we can put this one in relative to this. All right. That's why when the market open, we can see this one, this continue and even retest this low. But can we look for sell? We are not going to sell here. Okay, a few reasons. First of all, we don't have any proper trade setup here. Unless this one turns to a deeper correction similar to what we get here, for example, maybe from there we can look for sell because we can look for the trade setup. Okay, but if the price can drop from here, even retest this low, we are not going to sell. And even if we want to put the stop loss where will be here. In terms of the risk and reward, doesn't give us a really good trade setup. Anyway, the best things we are more interested if we get any reversal for buy, because based on daily chart also mentioned we're looking for buy. Any either the price reverse from here or even the price drop, any reversal with the flag, this is what we're looking for. And with the breakout of desktop, we start to manage. We want to see whether there is a continuation. We can expect the price to continue to 26.4, or this one can turn to a bigger correction flat in relative to this for one more drop. Okay. Anyway, any buy setup within this range, when the market open, we will take it. Then from there, we can consider what's the next. In this case, we just follow the chart when the market open. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.